Hello friends, today we will discuss what Scratch is and how we can use it. We will have so much fun when we go through this. With Scratch, you can program your own interactive stories, games and animations. You can also share your creations with others in the online community. Scratch is provided free of charge. So, we can download Scratch to our computer or laptop using the links provided in the description. We can also explore and use Scratch online without downloading. Coding in Scratch helps us in coding computer programs, problem solving, designing projects, communicating our ideas and many more. I have already downloaded Scratch on my laptop. So, without any delay, let's start coding in Scratch. In this portion, we can have sprites. Sprites is a computer graphic which can move on screen and change its look or costume. This selected sprite has two costumes. We can have more. In this whiteboard, we can have more than one sprites. We can add sprite from here. Let's bring a shark to the whiteboard. We can remove a sprite by right click and delete. Here we have only one costume of the shark. Let's add another one like that cat head. Now this sprite also has two costumes. We can move this sprite on this whiteboard. Did you observe? When I am moving the sprite, the value of x and y here keep on changing. This is a 48 by 360 plane where x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0 at the center. If we move up from the center, the y value will be increasing till 180. If we go down from the center, the y value will be decreasing till minus 180. Similarly, if we go right from center, the x value will be increasing till 240. And if we go left from the center, the y value will be decreasing till minus 240. Now, it's the time for the most important part of Scratch. We can move this sprite or change its costume using some code or script. So, how to write a code now? It is very simple. We can write a code using these various blocks by just drag and drop. There are different categories of blocks. Now let's talk about a few of them. Using the motion blocks, we can move this sprite in this dashboard. Let's do that. Let's place this sprite at x equal to minus 150 and y equal to 10. We will pick set x to block and set y to block and change their values. But now, how to start running this code? To start running this code, we will place when clicked block from control category and place it at the start. So whenever I click this green flag here, this code will start running. When this code runs, it moves the sprite to x equal to minus 150 and y equal to 10 location. Isn't it cool? Now let's start moving this sprite towards right by increasing the x value by 100. For this, we will take change x by block again from motion category. Second time when I am clicking, it is going to x equal to minus 150 and y equal to 10, and in no time it is moving 100 in x. Computers are very fast. It is so fast that we can't even see. Let's make the sprite wait for 1 second, then move towards right. Again, we can do this using wait block from control category. Still, it is moving very fast. So, instead of moving 100, what we will do is we will move 10 in X and wait for 0.5 second and repeat it for 10 times. So 10 into 10 equal to 100. The sprite will move 100 in X. So let's do this using repeat block from control category. This is nice. Now this sprite moves slow. What is next? You remember we have two costumes of this sprite. Let's change the costume from one to another of this sprite each time it moves using next costume block from looks category. Now it looks like it's chasing someone in an angry mood. Let's add that someone. Remember, we can add more than one sprite in this whiteboard. So, let's add one diver. Let's do that same code for this diver. Only thing we will change is that it will start from somewhere right from the shark. Let's change this X to 30. The beauty of Scratch is it starts running codes of each sprite in parallel when we click this green flag. Now let's add a background on this whiteboard. We will add underwater background. This looks perfect now. Congratulations, you learned how to make an animation in Scratch. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.